wonder what the fuel gauge was reading.
Chocolate.
It was always full. Yeah, look, I ran out of fuel a couple of times. I don't know why.
How do you measure?
How did he get up there? Look, he had some fucking entry speed when he was drifting it, that's for sure.
Back with the Cordy. All in primer. Bay's done. It's going to be tough with a Windsor. We'll do a build thread on this one. Going to put a little Windsor in it, C4. Should be good ones. I've got some videos of it in primer. I'm going to get some once we start rubbing it, blocking it back, and then when we paint it. Should be good.
Yeah, there's no lighting.
Let's go in the park. Yeah, back up, mate. Yeah, square up. Back up.
Yeah, move over about 100 mil.
100.
Yeah, does it come up in the end of the hole dip?
Bit of action.
Hollow down, is it?
Yeah, should we drill a hole in it before we have a look?
That is just a case. Is it hot? Yeah, look, it's definitely full.
Oh, it's definitely full.
Might not be.
Would you touch oven if it was on? Yeah.
Let's how you fucking check if it's on then.
Where's my sandbag? What's left of it? Yeah, she's fucked.
Get the cigar flex in it. Heaps in it. Yeah, so what you do is you just get a stick.
It's called adjustment. That's all it's
You
got.
just get a bit of a stick under there and just prop him up.
You use flat blade screwdrivers and just fucking bang them in there.
Didn't even. Who's been working on this car, mate?
A qualified mechanic, I think.
So yeah. Radiator.
Wouldn't it be?
Oh no, it is leaking out of
Wouldn't it be brown water?
No, because I cleaned it all out.
Damn.
I think my pump's fucked though. Oh no.
Oh, I have to seal it on the old fucking sender.
Yeah, she's good.
Can't wait to gas it up. Put the fucking rattle gun on there and get the aircon going on the way home.
Oh, there's no gas in it.
Well, that come back up, eh?
Bit empty.
Yeah.
Oh, you fucking dog.
Why was it hot then? Is that a nest on fire?
When you take off.
Oh, that's alright. So you're on a $140 running from the top, you're right.
He's a bit shit too. Nah, cause, mate, when the auto kicks back, fucking hell. How's what?
Roomy's got no change at all.
I had to.
I just wanted $1.
Oh, yeah. But it's still got charcoal canister too.
Do you think you'll ever get it?
Where'd you get a quote on it? Where? Yeah.
I bought them off eBay.
What, today and they come?
No,
Oi, we're on to something, boys.
check them out.
So we don't have this.
That's because you're trying to put 2 fucking coins on one. What's a 20 do? Doesn't fucking fit at all.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
It's all about the angle. We've got to get it right.
Where's
Oh, yes.
Where's good fucking cannon? Way here. Like he was fucking coming from everywhere, eh?
Target from the front. Right. When he chops me. As he's turning into the trainer, I'm just going to T-bone him.
Wait, is this interior view taken?
Yeah, that's the one. No, that's the one that out of Beer's car. Go look at the one.
That's what I say. I'm like, why would you want that?
Go look at the one in Beer's car. Like.
Where's that?
Fucking over there in the lobby.
Taking throttle. What do you got?
Oh, just gonna jam some fuel and see if we can get it running better than it was.
Is it? In case Rain needed it.
You know, that's the fact.
I can't even hit the key. Yeah, go. Tight.
So where's that back?
That's shit as terminal. That's the first thing when you get an EB, you cut all that off, put a proper terminal on.
Oh, yeah, that's fucking stupid.
Put that battery in the bin.
Yeah.
Like you're not.
Okay, go.
No, just let me.
Fuck me, what a gem, huh? That's what it's all about. If I had a coin, I'd be able to balance it on there.
What? It's been sitting for 11 years.
Oh, 11.
11.
What's this?
She runs like the day she got taken off the road.
Perfect.
How bloody close, mate?
Shit, my eyes. Right, this is all like fine. After you put E10 in, and then when you don't hang the pump up, you rip it out.
That's what I mean. Did they drive with it in there?
Yeah. How else you do a fuel line?
Has it got some sort of skirts on the door?
That beer will be coming up. There is a beer in here, and I know it. I just, you know, I get paid Monday, so I got no. We're putting a zip top though on Ranger's tail shaft, and when we take off, because he's been having gearbox problems, he's going to assume his gearbox is completely fucked. Where the fuck is Joel? Oh, there he is. This is going to be great.
It's gonna be man. I'm gonna shit his pants.
You're going to shit his pants.
No, I said he's gonna shit his
Oh,
pants. You're gonna shit his I'm gonna get his pants and shit on him.
that's what I thought you said. I'm going to shit his pants. Yeah. Yeah, that's going to be amazing. Perfect.
Let's get out of it before he sees the light.
Yeah. Let's roll.
Whoever can crack it,
See if she drives, eh?
Oh, shit.
Just put a stage 4 cam in it. Just got to work out the vernier gear drive. I think we're going to take one link out of the chain. It's a bit pneumatic wrench. Put some 660 injectors in. Pulled this bad boy off for extra fueling. Here we go. Definitely a vacuum leak, man.
Not bad. This thing's hot. Oh.
The battery charge, light isn't on. It's just the battery.
Battery dead as fuck. When you pay for it, mate, almost stop the fire on fire, right? That is better. You got yourself an EB Fairmont gear, huh? How do you feel? Coming up in the world. Yeah, I reckon she's past the road. What's there, guys? A duck stuck in there.
They never said Ben had the fucking edge of bail.
Don't take that off. That's Granddad's cunt. That's actually the steering wheel. What?
Get real close, zoom into that.
What? Feel it off. Feel it off. Genuine. Revving and banging, isn't it? Fair enough. I wouldn't let it do that. Bring on back here. I'm back at Christmas.
Not push on that.
What?
Not push on that.
The gear off. That's not even off this car. That's not for this car. What, that? Yeah. What would you know? You said that about the AE scoops. Yeah, I'm fucking right, right? What's this fucking stupid? Literally. Drive forward, we put it on the hoist. Please be just water. I hope that's just water, ain't it?
It is just the temperature on the rise and shit too.
Looks like you will sort it.
If you break it, you bought it.
Yeah, it's not cool, is it?
Nah, it's out of the airport. Yeah, he did the dumb cunt.
No, it
That's what you did.
no, that wasn't that tricky. It's fucking-
Nah, you pressed the other one as
I
well.
think they said it.
Look, maybe I'm actually. Someone pressed it. Something happened there.